Hey everyone, Chris from HMR Motors. Today I have a 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT with only 14,000 miles. This van has been California owned its entire life and it's super clean, rust free, and is in excellent condition. It has been converted by BraunAbility into a fully handicap accessible wheelchair van featuring a power fold out ramp that deploys to the passenger side sliding door with the touch of a button, along with a kneeling system to help lower the van and reduce the ramp angle. It also comes equipped with 4 retractable tie downs, power sliding doors, and a power liftgate, making daily use simple and convenient. In today's video, we're going to do a full walk around, show you the interior and all the mobility features working, and then take it out on the road so you can see how it drives. So let's get started. All right, let's talk about how to operate the wheelchair ramp on this Braun ramp van. It's super simple and user friendly. You can deploy the ramp right from the factory key fob. Just press the passenger side sliding door button twice. The door will automatically open, the van will lower, and the ramp will smoothly deploy onto the ground. To stow the ramp, just press the same button again. The ramp will retract, the van will raise, and the door will close all automatically. In addition to the key fob, the ramp can also be operated using the factory overhead sliding door button, the dash mounted button, or the button located next to the ramp in the back. This Braun conversion is all about ease, accessibility, and giving you independence on the road. All right, let's do a walk around of the Caravan so you can see the overall condition. I'll show you the paint, body panels, wheels, and point out anything worth noting as we go.
Tires look really good. A lot of tread left. Do have heated mirrors. Super clean, really nothing to point out. You have a little scratch right there on the bumper, super small. It's a couple little, I think it's in the tin. You know, it is 10 years old, so, you know, it's not gonna, I know it looks new, but almost new. A little scratch right here. It's gonna have a little something, you know. It's all very minor stuff though, guys. I just like to point everything out. I want you to see everything. It's a couple little touch up right there. Like I said, super small. Just don't want any surprises. A little more touch up on this bumper. You know, it's a bumper. Little scratches right there. Super clean underneath. This van did spend its life in California, so it's got absolutely no rust. I have the pictures on the website. You can see totally underneath on the lift how clean it really is, almost like new. Ribs and tires are super nice. It's really nothing to point out. I know I'm not talking much, but there's, you know, it's in really nice shape. these headlights, so clear. Say a lot about a car from the headlights, how it's taken care of. Really nice. A couple touch-ups on the bumper here. You know, it was a license plate, so a little scratch right here.
Now let's check out the interior. I'll walk you through the features, condition, and show you the conversion in more detail.
So we do have a button right here. This also operates the ramp, just so you know. Seat is in really nice shape, super clean. We do have 4 retractable tie downs here, 2 more on this side. We do have some steps too, so if you have some passengers sitting back here, their feet don't dangle, so that's really nice as well. Some more cup holders and storage space back here. We do have a power outlet. Power sliding door. Do have rear climate control. Both of these front seats are removable. Driver and passenger are removable. Can be rolled right out of the van. So for whatever seating positions work best for you, that is an option. Let's test out the rear AC. Let's test out the rear air conditioning. You can hear it blowing, going through all the fan speeds. So that all works. Like I said, you can control the ramp from this side with either this button or that button right there. So we'll press this button and you'll see everything close up all automatically. So here we have power windows and locks. Super clean. Seats in really nice shape. You could tell when a van is got 14,000 miles. It looks it. Let's check out the trunk. We have our fold down seats, so if you wanted to put something in here, these seats do fold down. You can see them folded down in the pictures. It's kind of hard for me to do with one hand, but they do fold down. We do have some storage space down here. If you wanted to put these straps or something, or any kind of storage, you have that there, as well as a spare, which is nice. We do have jack and tools right there, and the button for the power liftgate. You just press that button right there, and the liftgate will go down. See here, it's super clean. Do have a power seat, so you can see it going forward and back. It goes up and down as well, and it reclines, so you can see all that working. All right, let's take a look inside. Turn the lights off. I'm gonna turn it off for you guys so you can see there's no warning lights or anything. Sounds really good. So we do have our headlight switch right here. Let's check out our windows. We have automatic driver's side window. Goes up and down. You can see that working. Check out the passenger side. Check out our vents. Okay, see our rear vent windows working. Let's check out our mirrors. You can see they go up and down. They go left and right, so that works. Let's check out the passenger side. Goes up and down, and left and right, so that works. Okay, let's check out our radio. You can see our radio working. Check out our AC. So we hear all of our fan speeds working. We have cup holders and a couple power outlets. Air conditioning is ice cold. We have our glove compartment here. Oh, nice little storage cubby right here, and the glove compartment. Dash is in really nice shape. You have our factory buttons here. These will control the ramp as well as the liftgate and the sliding door. We have our cruise control on the steering wheel, as well as steering wheel audio controls.
Now let's take it out for a spin. I'll show you how well the van performs and how it feels out on the road. that wraps up the full tour and test drive. If you got any questions or want to make it yours, give me a call here at HMR Motors in Pompano Beach, Florida. We offer nationwide shipping and free airport pickup to make the process easy no matter where you are. Check us out online at hmrmotors.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clean, low mileage vehicles. Thanks for watching.